HSK9, Radio Thailand, World Service, broadcasting from Bangkok for listeners in Asia and the Pacific, the Middle East and Africa, Europe and America. It is now time for our broadcast in English for listeners in Europe.
This is Radio Thailand News, the voice of Thailand from the Public Relations Department of Thailand. Coming to you live from FM 88, FM 95.5 and FM 107.
Swadika, and good afternoon to our international listeners, and happy Mother's Day to our Thai listeners. Mother's Day in Thailand is also Queen Sirikit's, the Queen Mother's birthday. And welcome to the Voice of Thailand Midday News Hour for Friday, August the 12th on FM 88 Radio Thailand. I'm Dongtip Siriwong.
And I'm Pentip Chomprang.
Hoping your holiday is going well today. Here are today's headlines for this lunchtime. Interior Minister Anupong Paujinda and the Deputy Prime Minister Pravit Wongsuwan will leave their position should the Constitutional Court rule that the Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha's 8-year term is over.
And in business news, the NBTC launches a cross-platform digital rating system.
And in international news, OPEC and IEA differed opinion on the world oil demand for 2022.
And finally, in the APAC VIP interview segment, we continue with our interviews with the mice industry expert, the president of the Thailand Incentive and Convention Association of TCAC. Let's take a look at those top headlines and